Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Here's how to easily reset your Nest smoke alarm, carbon monoxide alarm. I think they actually call it the Nest Protect. Here's all you have to do. I've got a stick right here. I'm gonna push and hold this center button. Push firmly, do not let go. And in a few seconds here, it's gonna start talking to us.
Version number 3.1.4.3. Erasing all settings in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Erasing all settings.
Okay friends, that is
ready. Press to test.
This will work for the wired and for the battery operated. Now don't forget that when you want to connect this back up, you are gonna have to take this down. It's not hard to do, but you are gonna have to take this down and there's that little QR code on the back to help you get it set up. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.